This simple bluesy soloing trick is hours of fun. Check this out. Just doing it over each chord. Got E7 coming up. D7. A7. And you can create solos with these kind of movements. A minor pentatonics right within our reach also. This movement is really addictive and fun and addictive, but it's also useful to create blues solos with you have some direction instead of just playing up and down the A minor pentatonic scale, which is still right within our reach, and we need to know that. Because we're still gonna use that as our framework. We can call this a little arpeggio, but this movement here will just help us get that bluesy solo sound that we're looking for. The movement works over each chord, hitting the root first. So in the 5th fret of the low E string is that A note. We're sliding from 3 to 4 on the A string to the C sharp note, which is the major third of the A7 chord. And then we're going up to the A in the 7th fret of the D string. G note is the 5th fret. 7th fret of the A string. It's that simple. But when you do this in a rhythm, and I'll leave a link for this backing track because this is a fun way to practice the blues, getting that movement with that sweeter sound, but still have the minor pentatonic licks right around that. So if we move to the D7 chord for this arpeggio exercise, this time we're just hitting the D, the root note, 5th fret of the A string, sliding from 3 to 4 on the D string, hitting another root here in the 7th fret of the G string, 5th fret of the G, and then 7 on the D string. That same movement up 2 frets for the A7. 7 on the A string, sliding from 5 to 6 on the D string. 9, 7 on the G, and then 9 on the D string. You can just grab your guitar and have fun with this little groove without any backing track. That's just fun right there. You're getting a good groove in there. You're getting that bluesy sound by hitting that major third. And this is how to get that bluesy sound into your guitar soloing. using this simple little pattern, using the A minor pentatonic scale, you have all these ideas at your fingertips here. Let me show you a few solo ideas that we can break up this little exercise into some actual soloing. It just flows under your fingers. Again, you can, it's good to break it up a little bit. Let it breathe for a second. Just right within the A minor pentatonic scale, a slight little bend here in the 5th fret of the G string. 7, 5, 7 on the D string, home bass note. You're hinting at that major third there by bending it. Not quite all the way there, but it's a bluesy thing to do to tweak that note, that little bend. We can walk right down to the major third of the D chord, which is coming next. 7, 6, 5, 4. Then you trying to visualize this movement. Every time a chord comes up, but you're doing it, with pentatonic licks in mind and just creating that bluesy sound. You can just walk right down the scale. Got the E chord coming up. Here's the root, the 7th fret of the A string. You can walk right up to it chromatically. 5, 6, 7. Doing that little move. It just gets you away from that straight pentatonic sound, because I struggled with this for years, and I know some of you do. Just trying to create phrases within that scale is not an easy task, and we don't want to play up and down a scale to try and create a blues solo or any kind of solo. And this really helps break up things. It's just right there under your fingers. And I really suggest using this as a practice exercise to get the movement. And it's just fun in itself. Just has a good flow to it. Let me know if you got something from this quick tip lesson today. The blues, playing blues guitar is good, clean fun. Hope to see you on the next one.